really, didn't you die from sadness? No one actually dies from sadness, silly. Wait, really? Really? I guess I should have known that. OMG, it's like break time. I didn't know there was a break time. Every girl needs their break time. Come here, Book. And Ruby, you too. Yay! No way, Nickel. Only 3 smarters are allowed to have a break time. You should know that. Get back to your cranking, Nickel. Oh my god, what a poo-poo thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, you, me. Absolutely, hey, I think your break is over. It's been like 19 hours, I think. Excuse me? You did not just tell maybe Nicholas, right? No, Book, no. Our break is over when it's time to be over. And when will that be? Right now. See, Nickel? You just complain way too much. Like, way too much. Complain. I can see why no one cares to pick up a job, Nickel. OMG! Like, it's break time again! Hey, Mike's night isn't fun. There's only 9 hours left. Finally, we're done. I mean a well-deserved break. Well, I'm not tired at all. I must be super strong.
The BFDIA will out of this broken 15, 14.
What? No one told me that thing would destroy itself. Well, I'm an HPHPRCC user manual, so maybe I can look up how to fix this. Let's see.
5, 4, 15.
Oh, the HPHPRCC is a single-use, disposable machine. After creating its one and only HPRC, the HPHPRCC will self-destruct to decompose into the soil better. Why didn't Wiry Speakerbox tell us that? Let's not worry about that now! This thing is going to explode! Well, we don't know that. Self-destruct could mean anything. It might explode, or it might just disappear without a trace. I'd say we have a 50-50 chance. I'm feeling kind of lazy. I'll take my chances.
3, 2, 1.
Stop hallucinating, Ruby. The HPHPRCZ disappeared without a trace, and everyone's fine. Oh, really? That's a really... Ortal bring spongy bra. Wait, yellow face. Stop! Oh, you need to learn how to, like, prioritize. Most important peoples come first. So, like, pencil is first. Yay! And ice cube! Woo! And bubble! Yo! Let's go! Yes, they're finally gone! Mado! Spongy! Good, looks like our whole team is here. I didn't get my links back? This is so unfair! Okay, we need to get moving, hurry along! I think someone needs to apologize! But sorry, Meadle, fuck you! Venti! No offense, but no one cared! Lunchy, zip it! Life is full of pain! Weren't you sad that we lost the free smart man? Why would you be sad when you can be awesome? What's that supposed to mean? I present to you the free smart silver van! Look, I get it! You know, all this walking is gonna take a long time. Walking is fun. We need a better way. Like, why don't we recover Puckball and threaten her into flying us to Yale Land? You're a genius. Pretty genius, but definitely a genius. But how will we threaten her? Or, you know, let's call her Puffy. Perfect. Okay, ready, guys? Ready. What's the line? Let me go. Oh, I remember. We'll call you Puffy. I fucking conquer, but how to improve that done the robot just for you opponent. Yes, good work. There's so many bright lights in this band. Well, it's not a band, it's a super band. Oh, right. Sorry, super band. Still a lot of bright lights, though. Looks like we're entering the desert. Time to turn up the AC. We don't need an AC because we've got ice cube. Hoi hoi. Woo! Okay, roll call. Gelatin here. Fries here. Byrie here. Rocky. Puffball. I'm here. Tennis ball here. And I, golf ball, am also here. So that's everyone. I believe we are ready to continue our mission to reach Yoyoland. Step 1. Position yourself on top of Puffball. I can do that. But what should we do about these buddies? Leave them there. They are traitors. Oh my word! We forgot to bring the hand power recovery center with us. What? Oh, relax. This super van has a built-in leg power recovery center. Put on leg powered? Why would it matter if I use my hands or legs on that thing? But if you try to use your hands on that thing, well, yeah. Well, you'll be sorry. Very sorry. Oh. Like, how sorry? Like, moderately sorry? Like, super, wow, over the top extremely sorry. Gosh darn it, that's pretty sorry right there. Yeah, I'm pretty sorry right now. Look, why'd you do that? Why did you do that? I was curious. I thought you were just trying to scare me. Well, we've got 2 options. A, go on without the recovery center, or B, steal the Ace PRC in the evil forest. Woo! We should steal. Yep, that's what I was thinking too. This desert is so, like, boring. It's just endless piles of sand. Yeah, I'm getting pretty bored, too. Good thing I saved some snowballs in our mini fridge. Ow! What are you doing? Oh, these snowball mixed with the gas me. Stop this. No more snow. I've no more so now. Oh, no. How can there be snow when the temperature is 42 degrees Celsius, that is, which is 107 degrees Fahrenheit? Do not ever use Fahrenheit. Okay. I think that snow is coming from the Free-Smart band. Free-Smart super band. It's a pudding intense snowball fight. Hold on to your seats. I'm going full speed. But there are no seats. You see, living creatures do not grow seats. Whoa. Now that the dust is cleared, now that the snow is cleared, we are, oh my god, it's a monster! Yay! No, going. Yo, okay. Hey guys, we have to try to the Donkey Canal. Hold your breath, but the Donkey Canal is over 500 miles wide. Oh, calm down, just do it.